What's on your paper? Hmm? Are you gonna draw something? What are you gonna draw? What color is that?
That's yellow.
Yellow? What other colors are on there? Hmm? What other colors are on there? What other?
That's blue.
Green?
And this blue.
Mmm. Hey, what are all of these? What are these? What are those? Need help? Do you need help? Oh, you got it.
It's blue.
Mm-hmm.
It's blue.
It's kind of a turquoise color.
That's green.
Yeah, kind of green.
It's kind of blue.
It's kind of blue too.
What is that?
Hmm?
What's that?
That's the washer upstairs, baby. What is this?
It's bell.
It's Belle. Why is Belle on your paper? Hmm?
I still got it. That's blue.
Mm-hmm. Is that fun? Do you like your new markers?
Trying.
You're trying.
Oh,
You need help?
no.
You got it?
I still got it.
There you go.
I still got it.
You still got it.
Him got gloves.
Hmm?
Him got gloves.
Gloves.
Gloves on in his hand.
Oh, okay. Hmm?
Where?
Goes in the hole. On the end. Nope.
Where?
On the other end.
Where?
Yep, right there. That's it. There you go. You're very organized with your markers.
Another one. And the markers.
Yeah.
Other ones.
Can you say bye?